Hi, my name is Karthikeyan J. I am 2023 graduate student from Lovely Professional University, Punjab, BTech student. After completing my placement and graduation, so I don't have the idea to where to go to find the best placements. Then after my friend suggested me the JSpiders who is working in Chennai. Then I just joined JSpiders. So after that, I just learned a lot of experience about the subjects and I get a lot of knowledge about the subjects. So especially Pawan sir and Srikanth sir. So then finally I got placed with the help of JSpiders. So after this one, today I'm here to tell this one. I got a great relief about my stress and my placements. So thank you to all JSpiders members and faculties, all the members of the JSpiders for giving this opportunity to build my career, to become a best part of in my life. Thank you.